long-term money. If it's not money you need in the next 3 months, the next 6 months, as I said, maybe USDC because it's a stable coin, that's one thing. But I look at the money we have in CRO, Bitcoin, and Ethereum as 5-year money.
Well, you've got short-term money and long-term money.
UrCDKeys is the best source for genuine Windows 10 and Office Professional product keys that work the first time, every time. Get 20% off normal prices using our discount code BST for Byte Size Tech and the link in the video description below.
So your short-term money needs to be short-term, but then you need to take some of it and turn it into long-term money. That's how you have money. 6.5 hours?
We're crazy.
Nearly 7 o'clock?
No way.
Yes way. That's how long I've had you yapping in my ear for.
You know, if I could get somebody to lend, because like big companies and rich people can borrow money super cheap. Like Microsoft borrows money at like 1.5%. Some rich individuals borrow money at 2%. Elon Musk could borrow, $1 million from almost any bank in the world at 2% interest tomorrow by just signing a piece of paper. If he walked in, they'd know who he was. Just imagine if I could get somebody to even lend me money at 4%. We talked about the car that we bought on Wednesday, and several people asked if we paid cash. Do you know why we didn't pay cash? That's why I didn't pay cash. Because I borrowed money at 3% interest because we have good credit. What is 3% of $50,000?
3% of $50,000? Well, 1% would be, what's that, 1,500? 1,500 bucks?
So if I had taken the cash and paid cash for that car, I would be avoiding $1,500 in interest. Instead, I can put that $50,000 of cash into USDC and earn $7,000.
Wow. Ron says he's still working on his deck and he's sucking up all this info. Good job, Ron.
Who wants $5,500 for free? That's $458 a month. So if I pay $700 a month for my new car and I earn $458 a month in interest after I pay for the interest on the car, so $7,000 in USDC interest. It's actually $583. I was subtracting out the 3% on the auto loan. So it's $700 minus
$117.
So how much does our new car cost us?
$117.
Who would like to buy a V8 Mustang for $120 a month?
Well, and then that money can earn money again. So at some point, you earn money from...
I'm paying it off faster than it's depreciating. And so I will end up with a valuable asset when the loan is paid off, and I will still have the money in USDC.
Yes. Aya, thank you.
I wonder how many people listening to that just realized an epiphany of how to go from having savings to building wealth.
Well, this is what the adult steps is for.
This is the first step of adult steps, is learning that debt can be good.
Yeah, it's like Andrew says, you have to be disciplined and stake it, then leave it alone.
If somebody would offer me a 50 grand, just no collateral loan tomorrow, I'd take it and throw it in USDC. and I'd earn money on the split. Why not?
UrCDKeys is the best source for genuine Windows 10 and Office Professional product keys that work the first time, every time. Get 20% off normal prices using our discount code BST for Byte Size Tech and the link in the video description below. $15 gets you a Windows 10 Professional OEM key that is a real product key, activates directly with Microsoft, use it forever as it links to your Microsoft account and it works through reinstalls. Get a full copy of Office 2019 Professional Plus for about $50 that redeems at setup.office.com using your Microsoft account. It also works forever through reinstalls. We have been using UrCDKeys for almost 3 years now and recommend you do so as well.